Keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with a remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students.
A warm welcome to the students of Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Students, we are back with the part 4 video for this chapter. Subject Mathematics Standard 4. Lesson number 2. Topic Number Work. Children, the subtopics to be covered today are ascending and descending order, even and odd numbers, international and Devanagari numbers. Hey kids, you have already learned this topic in standard 1, 2 and 3. So let us revise it and learn more about this topic, that is ascending order. Arranging or ordering numbers from the smallest to the largest number is called as ascending order. For arranging the numbers in ascending order, there are certain rules to be followed when using it. The first rule, always start with the smallest number. Always make sure the numbers are in order from smallest to largest. Always end with the largest number. Students, if you keep these rules in your mind, it will be easy for you to arrange any number that is given to you in ascending order. Now let's learn about descending order. Arranging or ordering the numbers from the largest to the smallest number is called descending order. Here too we have rules to follow when using descending order. But note that writing numbers in descending order do not always involve subtracting 1 from the larger numbers. Rather, descending order can be done in the following manner. Always start with the largest number. Always ensure that the numbers are in order from largest to smallest. Always end with the smallest number. Students, these rules will help you to arrange the given numbers in descending order. Let's read and understand more about ascending and descending order. Children, for arranging three numbers in ascending and descending order, first find the smallest of the numbers. Then find the biggest of the numbers, and the remaining number is the middle number. Let's see ascending order. First the smallest number, then the middle number, and at last the biggest number. Whereas in descending order, we are first going to place the biggest number, the middle number, and the smallest number. Children, let us see this through an example. Hey kids, now we are going to do the comparing as well as ordering of the numbers in ascending and descending order. Arrangement of numbers in ascending and descending order using lesser than or greater than sign. The first example is 3108, 3180, 3081. We have to arrange this number in ascending order. So let's see how it will be arranged. Students, here we have to use the lesser than sign. Let's see how it is done. See here, the numbers arranged are 3081 is lesser than 3108. 3108 is lesser than 3180. Now let's see the descending order of the same numbers. Here the numbers are 3180 is greater than 3108. 3108 is greater than 3081. Let's solve one more example. The example is 5216, 6598, 3256. First, let us arrange this number in ascending order. It will be 3256 is lesser than 5216. 5216 is lesser than 6598. Now let's arrange these numbers in descending order. The descending order of these numbers are 6598 is greater than 5216. 5216 is greater than 3256. Students, keep in your mind, whenever you are writing the ascending order, the mouth of the crocodile will be open towards the right side. Whereas, when you are writing the descending order, the mouth of the crocodile will be open towards the left side. This will help you to write your ascending and descending order in the correct way. Let's learn how to form or make 4-digit smaller and bigger number using the given digits. Children, here the digits 0 to 9 will be given to you. With the help of those digits that is given to you, you have to make one smaller number and one bigger number. So the first digits are 5603. Students, note that whenever you are making the smaller number and the digits given to you has 0 in it, you will never place 0 at the highest value. You will place it in the second place. So the number formed will be 3056. Always, in the smaller number, 0 will be placed in the second value from the left hand side. In the bigger number, whereas 0 will always be placed in the units place. So the number formed will be 6530. The next example. The digits given are 7315. Now this is easy. We have to first write from smallest to largest. So the number formed will be 1357. That is 1357. The bigger number will be 7531. The next digits are 6824. So the smallest number will be 2468. That is 2468. And the bigger number will be 8642. That is 8642. The next example, 9753. So the smaller number will be 3579. That is 3579. And the bigger number will be 9753. That is 9753. Let us move to our next topic, that is even and odd numbers. What is an even number? The numbers which leave no remainder when divided by 2, or you can say all the numbers having the digits 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 at the units or ones place are called as even numbers. Students, whether the number is a 3-digit number, 2-digit number, 4-digit number doesn't matter. To find out the given number is even, we have to just look at the units place. In the units place, if the numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, then the numbers are even numbers. Now let's find about odd numbers. The numbers that leave a remainder 1 when divided by 2, or you can say all numbers having the digits 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 at the units or ones place are called as odd numbers. Children, you have to just see at the units place. If the units place is having either of these digits, that is 1, 3, 5, 7 or 9, it is called as an odd numbers. Let's learn more about it with an example. Here we are having a number stripe which includes the digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Students, now starting from 0, every second number is an even number. Let's see. Yes, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. All these are even numbers. Whereas the numbers starting from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are odd numbers. Isn't it easy to understand? Now let's see. Identify the given numbers as even or odd numbers. A group of numbers will be given to you all. You have to identify those numbers as even or odd numbers. The numbers are 19, 48, 93, 87, 52, 76, 24, 31. Now first we will find out the even numbers. The even numbers are 48, 52, 76 and 24. Why? Because in the units place they are having the digits 2, 4, 6 and 8. The odd numbers are 19, 93, 87 and 31 as they have the digits 9, 3, 7 and 1 in the units place. The last subtopic of this chapter is International and Devanagari numerals. Let us learn about it. Children, what is an international numerals? When we use the English digits 0 to 9 to form various numbers, it is called as an international numerals. Various numbers can be formed using these digits. Students, you are using these numbers right from the pre-primary section when you learn to write numbers. Now let us learn about Devanagari numerals. You might be thinking, what is this Devanagari? Devanagari is nothing but the Marathi numbers. When we use the Marathi numbers, that is शून्य, एक, दोन, तीन, चार, पाँच, सहा, सात, आठ, नऊ to form various numbers, it is called as Devanagari numerals. Various Marathi numbers can be formed using these digits. You can see in the example 5, 6, 2, 9, 8, 3, 1, 4, 7, 4, 8, 9, 5, 7, 6, 5, 6, 5. All these are formed in Devanagari numerals. Children, we will be having an international numerals stripe consisting of digits 0 to 9. We have to transform these numbers into Devanagari numerals. Let's see how these numbers are written in Devanagari numerals. 0 is written as Shunya, 1 is written as Ek, 2 is written as Don, 3 is written as Teen, 4 is written as Char, 5 is written as Paach, 6 is written as Saha, 7 is written as Saat, 8 is written as Aat and 9 is written as Now. If you practice these digits 0 to 9 in Devanagari numerals, you will be able to write any 4, 5, 6 or 7 digit numbers. Let's see the exercise. Write the following numbers in Devanagari numerals. Children, here you will be getting the numbers in international numerals. You have to write those numbers in Devanagari numerals. The numbers are 516. So in Devanagari, it will be represented as 560, 792, 792, 349, 349. Next exercise. Write the following numbers in international numerals. Here you will be getting the numbers in Devanagari numerals and you have to write it down in international numerals. The Devanagari numbers are no, no, no. That means 999. Next, Don Path Char. So 254, that is 254. Next example, Pach 8, that is 5 and 8, 58. Let us have a short summary of what we learned today. Arrange the following numbers in ascending and descending order. The numbers are 4856, 3965, 8546. Let us first arrange these numbers in ascending order. It is as 3965 is lesser than 4856. 4856 is lesser than 8546. In descending order, we will write it as 8546 is greater than 4856. 4856 is greater than 3965. The next question. Identify whether the given number is odd or even. Students, we have to first look at the number in the units place and the number is 9. So 9 is an odd number. So 59 is also an odd number. Write the given number in Devanagari numerals. The number is 5689. So it will be written in Devanagari as 5, 6, 8, 9. Write the given number in international numerals. Here the Devanagari numbers are given. It is 1046. So it will be 1046. Hey kids, we will be meeting with another video. Till then, keep learning something new every day. Thank you.